Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake Pinoy style. First, combine 1 1/2 cups of crushed graham crackers with 1/4 cup of melted butter. Press this mixture evenly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Make sure it's compact. Then, refrigerate the crust for at least 30 minutes while you prepare the filling. This ensures a firm base for your delicious cheesecake. Next, let's create that signature creamy filling. In a large bowl, beat 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese until smooth. Gradually mix in 1 14-ounce can of condensed milk, followed by 2 large eggs, one at a time. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour this luscious mixture over your prepared, chilled crust. Now it's time to bake your masterpiece. Place the springform pan in a larger baking pan and add hot water to create a water bath, reaching about 1 inch up the sides of the springform. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Let it cool completely on a wire rack, then chill for at least 4 hours. Finally, the best part, serving. You can top your Pinoy-style cheesecake with fresh mango slices, a generous drizzle of yub halia, or even a simple caramel sauce. For clean slices, dip your knife in hot water and wipe it clean between each cut. This cheesecake is perfect for any occasion. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about personal finance, along with other exclusive deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.